Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Prostate health is a crucial topic that affects millions of men worldwide. As men age, the likelihood of encountering prostate issues, such as benign prostatic hyperplasia or prostate cancer, increases significantly. Studies show that nearly 50% of men over the age of 50 experience some form of prostate problem. This prevalence often leads to fear and anxiety, as many men are unsure about how to manage these conditions effectively. One of the most powerful tools in maintaining prostate health is diet. Research indicates that certain foods can play a vital role in both preventing and managing prostate issues. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats can help reduce inflammation and support overall prostate function. This video will explore effective dietary secrets and tips that empower you to take charge of your prostate health. From understanding the benefits of specific nutrients to incorporating prostate-friendly foods into your meals, we'll provide practical advice that you can quickly implement in your daily life. So, stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of prostate health and discover how simple dietary changes can make a significant difference. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding prostate problems. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, commonly known as BPH, is a non-cancerous enlargement of the prostate gland that affects many men as they age. This condition can lead to a variety of uncomfortable symptoms, including frequent urination, difficulty starting or stopping urination, and a weak urine stream. While BPH is not life-threatening, it can significantly impact a man's quality of life. On the other hand, prostate cancer is a more serious concern. It occurs when cells in the prostate gland grow uncontrollably, forming tumors. Risk factors for prostate cancer include age, family history, and certain genetic factors. Men over 50 are particularly at risk, and African American men are statistically more likely to develop the disease. Early detection of prostate cancer is crucial for effective treatment. Regular screenings, such as PSA tests and digital rectal exams, can help identify potential issues before they progress. Additionally, making lifestyle changes, such as adopting a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and maintaining a healthy weight, can lower the risk of both BPH and prostate cancer. By understanding these common prostate problems and taking proactive steps, men can significantly improve their chances of maintaining good prostate health throughout their lives. Effective diet revealed. Dietary changes can make a significant difference in managing prostate health. Specific vital nutrients are particularly beneficial for the prostate. For instance, zinc is essential for maintaining prostate function and may help reduce the risk of prostate enlargement. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon and walnuts, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and can support prostate health. Incorporating these nutrients into a balanced diet can positively impact overall well-being. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats nourishes the body and helps reduce inflammation and improve immune function. Foods like tomatoes, which are high in lycopene, and cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, have been linked to lower prostate cancer risk. Simple changes, like swapping out processed foods for whole foods or adding more plant-based meals to your weekly menu, can lead to significant improvements. By prioritizing a nutrient-dense diet, men can take proactive steps to maintain their prostate health and enhance their overall quality of life. Remember, small changes can lead to significant results. Shocking food secrets. Some surprising foods can significantly impact prostate health positively and negatively. For instance, many people overlook the benefits of green tea. Rich in antioxidants, green tea has been linked to a reduced risk of prostate cancer in several studies. Its active compounds, particularly catechins, may help inhibit cancer cell growth, making it a powerful addition to your diet. On the flip side, processed meats, such as bacon and hot dogs, can be detrimental to prostate health. Research has shown that high consumption of these foods is associated with an increased risk of prostate cancer. The preservatives and unhealthy fats in processed meats can lead to inflammation and other health issues. Testimonials from men who have made dietary changes often highlight the positive effects of incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into their meals. Many report feeling more energetic and healthier after cutting back on unhealthy foods. By being mindful of the foods they consume and making informed choices, men can significantly improve their prostate health. Remember, what you eat can be your best ally or worst enemy in the journey toward better health. Just one seed to shrink an enlarged prostate. Regarding natural remedies for prostate health, pumpkin seeds stand out as a powerful option. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients that can help reduce prostate size and alleviate symptoms associated with benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Rich in zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats, pumpkin seeds provide essential nutrients that support overall prostate function. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your daily meals is easy and delicious. You can sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or add them to oatmeal for a nutritious breakfast. Roasting them with seasoning makes for a tasty snack you can enjoy anytime. The science behind pumpkin seeds' effectiveness lies in their high content of phytosterols, which have been shown to inhibit the conversion of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a hormone linked to prostate enlargement. Additionally, the antioxidants found in pumpkin seeds help reduce inflammation, further supporting prostate health. By adding just one seed, pumpkin seeds, into your diet, you can take a proactive step toward managing prostate health. So why not give them a try? Your prostate will thank you for it. Just one morning drink to shrink an enlarged prostate. Start your day with a refreshing smoothie that can aid in prostate health. This prostate-friendly morning drink combines spinach, blueberries, flax seeds, and almond milk for a powerhouse of nutrients. Begin with a handful of fresh spinach. This vegetable is rich in vitamins and minerals, including magnesium and folate, both of which support overall prostate function. Next, add a cup of blueberries. These tiny fruits are packed with antioxidants that help combat inflammation and may lower the risk of prostate cancer. Include a tablespoon of ground flax seeds for added fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds are known for helping regulate hormone levels and reducing the risk of prostate enlargement. Finally, blend everything with a cup of unsweetened almond milk, which is low in calories and provides a creamy texture without added sugars. This delicious smoothie tastes great and offers many health benefits that can support your prostate. Making this drink part of your morning routine can kickstart your day with essential nutrients that promote prostate health. So, why give it a try? Your body will appreciate the effort, and your prostate will thank you. Avoid 5 foods to protect your prostate. Maintaining prostate health is crucial, and one of the best ways to do this is by avoiding certain foods that can exacerbate prostate issues. Here are 5 common foods to steer clear of. 1. Processed meats. Items like bacon, sausages, and deli meats are high in unhealthy fats and preservatives, which can increase inflammation and the risk of prostate cancer. 2. Dairy products. Full-fat dairy, such as whole milk and cheese, may contribute to prostate enlargement due to their high saturated fat content. Opting for low-fat or plant-based alternatives can be a healthier choice. 3. Refined carbohydrates. Foods like white bread, pastries, and sugary cereals can lead to weight gain and increased insulin levels, which are linked to prostate problems. Whole grains are a better option. 4. Fried foods. Items like French fries and fried chicken are loaded with unhealthy trans fats that can promote inflammation and negatively impact prostate health. 5. Sugary beverages. Sodas and sweetened drinks can lead to obesity and metabolic issues, increasing the risk of prostate problems. Making these dietary changes can be a game changer for your well-being. You cannot shrink your enlarged prostate if you still eat these 10 foods. When it comes to managing an enlarged prostate, avoiding certain foods is crucial for effective results. Here are 10 specific foods that can hinder prostate health. 1. Red meat. High in saturated fats, red meat can promote inflammation and increase the risk of prostate enlargement. 2. Processed meats. Items like hot dogs and deli meats contain preservatives and unhealthy fats that can exacerbate prostate issues. 3. Full-fat dairy. Whole milk, cheese, and cream are rich in saturated fats, possibly contributing to prostate enlargement. 4. Fried foods. Foods like fried chicken and French fries are loaded with unhealthy trans fats that can lead to inflammation. 5. Sugary snacks. Cakes, cookies, and candies can cause weight gain and insulin spikes, both of which are linked to prostate problems. 6. Refined carbohydrates. White bread and pastries can lead to obesity and metabolic issues, negatively impacting prostate health. 7. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to dehydration and hormonal imbalances, affecting prostate size. 8. Caffeine. High caffeine intake can irritate the bladder and worsen urinary symptoms associated with prostate issues. 9. Spicy foods can irritate the bladder and exacerbate urinary discomfort. 10. Sugary beverages. Sodas and sweetened drinks can contribute to obesity and metabolic syndrome. Making these changes is a vital step toward effectively managing an enlarged prostate. A well-balanced diet can significantly impact not only the size of the prostate but also overall well-being. We discussed the importance of incorporating prostate-friendly foods such as pumpkin seeds, spinach, and blueberries, which are rich in essential nutrients that support prostate function and reduce inflammation. On the flip side, we highlighted essential foods to avoid, including processed meats, full-fat dairy, and sugary snacks, which can exacerbate prostate issues and lead to further complications. You can take proactive steps toward maintaining a healthy prostate by making conscious dietary choices. We hope you found this information valuable and that it inspires you to make positive changes in your diet. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about health tips and strategies for better living, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Remember to like this video and share it with friends and family who may benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more content that empowers you to take charge of your health. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier you.